Hi, this is Jeanette from the TT for T team, and today I'm going to teach you how to create a website using Weebly. So if you navigate to education.weebly.com, once you get there, on the right-hand side, you can log in if you already have an account, and if you don't, you can go ahead and create a free account by typing in a username, password, and your email. Once you get logged into your Weebly account, if you already have a Weebly account, you will see your sites listed there on the My Sites tab. When you're ready to add a site or create a new site, you just click Add Site, and then you have a couple of options to choose from to create a website on Weebly. You can create a site, like a classroom site, or if you wanted a blog, you could strictly create a blog, or you could do a store. So I'm going to do a site. I also might have a blog on my site, but I want to use it more than just a blog, so I'm going to select Site. First thing it asks you to do is choose a theme, and you can easily change this later, so don't spend a lot of time looking at the themes and what color you want and what type of layout you want. Find something that you like, and you need to realize also that a lot of these have different colors at the bottom. On the bottom left-hand side, you can look at the different colors that you would like to see or use. So I'm going to just go ahead and choose one. Once you have chosen your theme, you will be asked to choose your website domain. I am doing free, so I'm just going to use a subdomain of Weebly.com. And I'm going to create my website. And for this, I'm going to say Mrs. J. Carlson's class.weebly.com and then click Continue. And it's as simple as that to create a website at Weebly. Once there, you'll see some of the basic navigation tools at the top: Build, Design, Pages, Store, and Settings. Build tab is where you will build your things on your web page. You will add content however you'd like. Weebly uses a very easy drag and drop interface. If I was wanting to add a title to my page, I would click the T for title, drag it over where I wanted it, and just drop it there and go ahead and click to type my title. It works the same with images, and it works the same with dividers and the media as you navigate on the left-hand side of the page. It's just important to remember that when you would like to add something to your page, be sure that you are on the build page. To add a photo, you click, and you can drag photos from your desktop, or you can quickly upload a photo from your computer right here. The next tab is Design. This is where you would go about changing your theme if you weren't comfortable with it and you pick something very quickly. You can very easily preview what it might look like, or go ahead and choose that theme, and it will change all of your pages to match the theme that you have already created. You could also, on the Design page, change the color of the theme. If you'd like to get very specific, you can change the fonts. So you like your theme, but you do not like the font. So for the site title, I'm going to choose a different type of font. Select the font, you can select the size of it, and you can select the color. And from here on out, that will be your default. You can do that with any of the headings, subheadings, the image captions. You have lots of options if you'd like to make it very personalized. Thirdly, one of the most important tabs is the Pages tab. On the Pages tab, this is where you create your pages, you name them, you select your header type. I do not want a contact page on my website, so I'm going to click on that page, and I'm going to come down here to the bottom and delete the page. When I'm ready to add a page, I just select Add at the top. Do I want a standard page, a blog page, a store page, or an external link? I'm going to add a standard page, and I'm going to call this Personal Finance, and this will be for my personal finance class. You have the choice of hiding the page in navigation and changing the header type. I would just like a short header with just a small image up there, and I want this visible to the public. So I say Save and Edit. I can see right here, here's my personal finance page. I can also navigate back to the home page. One thing I'd like to show you on the Pages tab, if I click back there, Let's say that under Personal Finance, I would like to create a page for assignments. Once I create my page for assignments, I'm going to select No Header. I might want this page to fall under Personal Finance, so I'm going to just click and drag it over to the right, And then if I say Save and Edit, you can see that under here it becomes a drop down under Personal Finance. Very easy navigation. The Store tab is something I'm not going to be using with an educational website, but the Settings tab is something you might want to look at. Under the Settings tab, this is where you can change your site address and your site title. The other things are more specific and probably something you don't need to worry about if you are creating a page for school. Again, remember to navigate back to the Build tab in order to build and create your web page. To go back to your home page to see all of your sites, you click over here on the right hand side and select My Sites, and it brings you back to the home page. That's how you create a Weebly website. Thanks for watching.